या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत शङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवी सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा.
Good evening, dear all present here. With the blessings of the Goddess of Knowledge, we begin our today's event of acknowledging the talent and achievements of the students of grade 6.
My friend Atre and I will be taking you on an expedition to our motherland on this special occasion of annual prize giving ceremony 2024-25. We extend a warm welcome to the Honorable Chief Guest, respected Principal Mr. Yash Saxena, Vice Principal Ms. Keuri Gohil, Bursar Mr. Ambika Pratapsi Jadeja, dear parents, heads of various sections, teachers and my dear friends on this memorable evening. I would request respected Principal to kindly introduce our esteemed guest for today.
Good evening, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's my proud privilege to introduce and welcome our chief guest of the evening, Mr. Tushar Sumera. He is an IAS officer of 2012 batch of Gujarat Cadre. When I narrate his story to you, it's certainly a story of resilience and hard work. His schooling has been in Rajkot at RM Chhaya School and AS Chaudhary High School subsequently. He did his collegiate in MA English Literature from Saurashtra University. Prior to selection, he worked as a primary school teacher in Chotila. After getting commissioned in Indian Administrative Services, his initial training happened in Amreli district. Thereafter, he served as Assistant Collector Morbi and District Development Officer Navsari, where he was recipient of the Best DDO award by the state government. He also served as Regional Commissioner of Municipalities, Bhavnagar, where he was recipient of the Kalam Innovation Governance Award. He also served as Municipal Commissioner of Junagadh, and before joining Rajkot, he served as the Collector of Botad and Collector of Bharuch. Presently, he is the Municipal Commissioner of Rajkot. Ladies and gentlemen, it is clearly evident that he enjoys immense faith of the government of Gujarat, as he was immediately transferred to Rajkot after the infamous TRP fire fiasco. Mrs. and Mr. Sumera are also amongst the proud parents of RKC. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please join me in welcoming Mr. Tushar Sumera. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, sir. RKC is all about continuing the legacy of learning. The school celebrates the enduring spirit and uniqueness of students. We take pride in educating and empowering the learners, while watch them evolve is a sheer delight. The college provides a vibrant platform to the pupils where they can exhibit their talent in various forms, may it be art, language, synchronicity of mind and body in Indian way, that is yoga, or to be with the time in the field of technology. Students' achievements at class level and section wise are awarded in the morning assemblies, whereas some are going to be presented today.
I would request the chief guest to kindly do the honor of distributing the awards to the talented students of Form 6. I would humbly request our academic in charge, Mrs. Vaishali Tandon, to kindly escort the chief guest to the elevation.
Nihal Shah, first position, Hindi Poetry Recitation Competition. Riyan Patel, First position, English Poetry Recitation Competition. Utbhas Bagchi, first position, English Poetry Recitation Competition. Param Joshi, second position, Hindi Poetry Recitation Competition. Kanish Sharma, third position, Hindi Poetry Recitation Competition. Meer Joban Putra, second position, Gujarati Poetry Recitation Competition. Darsh Sakparia, first position, Music Competition. Mohan Sorathia, second position, Music Competition. Vyom Janiara, third position, Music Competition. Dihan Sakparia, first position, Yoga Competition. Vivan Panseria, second position, Yoga Competition. Anil Padya, second position, Yoga Competition.
Without much ado, we commence today's show with the students of 6F bringing us the glimpses from the life of a strong-willed, courageous and righteous person whose life is nothing less than exemplary.
A multifaceted personality of excellence that doesn't need any introduction. A life nothing less than awe-inspiring. A tennis player, a decorated police officer, a social activist, an author and an empath. Kiran Bedi, a young aspirant who was determined to be a trailblazer from a young age. Inspired by her father, Bedi started playing tennis at the age of 9. The national champion added numerous feathers to her crown and brought laurels to the country from international grounds as well. As a young woman, Bedi frequented the Service Club in Amritsar, where interaction with senior civil servants gave her the motivation to live an outstanding life by choosing to join Indian Public Service career. Her journey to an incredible life of service began with her police training at National Academy of Administration in Mussoorie. She was the only woman in a batch of 80 men, and needless to say that she became the first woman IPS officer. 1975 can be marked as a memorable one for Bedi. Her first posting was at Delhi in this year. The same year, she became the first woman to lead all-male contingent of Delhi Police at the Republic Day Parade. After a display of remarkable and responsible actions, Bedi was awarded the President Police Medal for gallantry. In 1981, Bedi was made DCP Traffic. Apart from looking into traffic control at different crucial situations, her team stopped improperly parked vehicles irrespective of whom they belonged to by the cranes. This earned her nickname Crane Bedi. She raised funds for traffic police through a group of sponsors. Her Asian Games traffic management plan aided her to obtain road safety and other educational material worth 35 lakhs from this group. She also bought traffic police jeeps for her officers, again a noteworthy achievement. 4-wheelers allocated for the first time to inspectors in traffic unit. Bedi's diligent and sincere efforts during her tenure at Mizoram are a proof of humanitarian work can be done at any level. One would face challenges though. Bedi decided to turn Tihar into a model prison. She arranged vocational training for prisoners and introduced several reforms. Bedi's reform at Tihar received worldwide acclaim. Bedi was awarded Diamond Magsaysay Award and Nehru Fellowship for her active leadership and innovations in crime control, drug rehabilitation, and human prison reform. Now Jyoti Delhi Police Foundation was founded by Bedi and her colleagues, undertook the projects like residential treatment to addicts, crime prevention programs like education of street children, vocational training centers, healthcare facilities, and so on. Some of the works of author Bedi are Demand of Swaraj, It's Always Possible, One Woman's Transformation of Tihar Prison, As I See What Went Wrong, and continues. Galti Kiski. Bedi has lived her life with this spirit.
खुद को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रजा क्या है. वो टुर जा तू ना डरना कभी ना घबरना कभी. वो ले जा तू उखाड़ के जमीन. हो फुर जा तू ना रुकना कभी तू ना झुकना कभी. झीले अपनी जिंदड़ी. वो मार झड़पा वो चांद पे चढ़ जा. उड़ जा बढ़ के आसमान दी परी. उड़ जा बढ़ के आसमान दी परी. खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा रुक कर ये खुद पूछे बता क्या चाहिए बंदे. खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा रुक कर ये खुद पूछे बता क्या चाहिए बंदे. टुर जा तू ना थमना कभी तू ना थकना कभी. ले जा तू पछाड़ के जमीन.
ओ फुरजा तू ना मुड़ना कभी, ना पलटना कभी। कर ले मर्जी जो तेरी। ओए मार छड़प्पा, ओए चांद पे चढ़ जा। उड़ जा उड़ जा उड़ जा उड़ जा बन के आसमान दी परी। उड़ जा उड़ जा उड़ जा उड़ जा बन के आसमान दी परी। उड़ जा उड़ जा उड़ जा उड़ जा।
Discipline is what builds our character. It is also one of the finest qualities that leads to success. Any game demands dedication, diligence, and sacrifices, and hardships are inevitable in any field.
Mahavir Singh Fogart
Had a dream to earn a medal for the country and make it proud at the international level. Due to hardships of life, he could not turn this dream of his into a reality. One day, accidentally, he discovered this talent in his daughters,
Geeta and Babita Fogart.
He decided to polish the girl's talent, the gift of God, to fulfill his dream. The road to success is rough, which Fogart sisters learned on their journey towards it. The loving father suddenly became a strict and disciplined coach. This was difficult for them to understand. It took them time to realize that their teacher is polishing them for a higher purpose. His vision for the talented girls was something difficult for the society to understand and accept in those times. Though determination can be a positive and powerful motivator, continuing to feel determined can be incredibly difficult when we encounter obstacles and setbacks. And the rest is history. The girls started competing with boys, beating them badly, winning prizes at the local events, and rule over people's hearts too. The long list of a few of the awards goes as follows.
Geeta Fogart
2010 First gold medal for an Indian female wrestler at the Commonwealth Games. 2012 World Wrestling Championships bronze medal. 2013 and 2014 a few more feathers in the crown.
Babita Fogart
2010 Commonwealth Games silver medal. 2012 World Wrestling Championships bronze medal. 2014 Commonwealth Games gold medal. 2018 Commonwealth Games silver medal. Here we present the girl's story in a thrilling and toe-tapping way. Nothing else than this performance can describe Fogart sisters' journey the best.
मरघट तक है तेरी कहानी पग पग प्यारे दंगल 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 सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे दंगल 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 माँ के पेट से मरघट तक है तेरी कहानी पग पग प्यारे दंगल 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 सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे दंगल 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 धड़कने छाती में जब दुबक जाती हैं पीठ थप थपा उनको फिर जगह बात बन जाती है जाती है रे, सामने खड़ी घूर के बड़ी आंख दिखलाती है तो आंख से उसकी आंख मिला के भिड़ जाने का नाम है प्यारे। दंगल 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 दंगल, सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे। दंगल 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 दंगल, मजबूत भरोसा अपने सपनों पे करना, जितने मुंह उतनी बातें, गौर कितनों पे करना। आज लोगों की बारी, जो कहें कह लेने दे, तेरा भी दिन आएगा उस दिन हिसाब चुका के रहना। अरे भेड़ की हाहाकार के बदले शेर की एक दहाड़ है प्यारे। दंगल 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 दंगल, सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे। दंगल 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 दंगल।
Resilience is rare but leads to success. Welcome to the podcast RKC. Our special guest for today, Manoj Sharma, a remarkable individual, has lived this quote. Manoj Kumar successfully sailed through his early education. However, his academic path encountered an unforeseen obstacle during grade 12 exam. Sharma faced numerous challenges in his pursuit of becoming an IPS officer. Mr. Manoj Sharma's story is one of resilience and determination. His journey of academic failures to overcoming financial hardships on his path and achieving his goal is one of its kind. Financial obstructions didn't waver his quest for turning dreams into a reality. You can borrow a book, but you get to keep the ideas. Mr. Manoj Sharma has imbibed this thought on his quest to fulfill his dreams. Sir, would you please share with the audience some anecdotes from your life? As you have already shared my school life, I would like to add that I belong to a humble family. I had to manage my UPSC preparation and coaching fees by myself. I ran errands and worked as a library peon in Delhi. I studied a lot of biographies of famous people, including Lincoln, Muktugod, Gorky and others. These texts strengthened my resolve and gave me a deep awareness of my life's truth. Sir, we are aware of the bad years you had in academics. We would like to hear more about it from you. I have never given up on myself. Even after failing in grade 12th and securing 3rd division in classes 9th and 10th, I believed in my dreams. After schooling, I pursued BA in Hindi and History. I went to Gwalior to prepare for DSP officer exam. I didn't succeed in that. In the meantime, a friend told me about UPSC. I went to Delhi to prepare under a guidance of knowledgeable mentor. You know the rest story. Yes, sir. After being unsuccessful in 3 efforts, you triumphed and achieved an All India rank of 121. Currently posted as Additional Police Commissioner, you have garnered nicknames like Singham and Simba from others due to your commanding presence and powerful nature. Sir, it was a great pleasure to have you amongst us today. The pupils of grade 6D have got inspired by your determination and would like to present something for you. What are we waiting for? Let's watch it then.
मुसीबत के नीचे पुस्तक लेके धरना होगा। ना नसीबों की बातें ना गरीबों की, राजा रंग सारे हारे, वाट लगी उम्मीदों की। उम्मीदों पे पानी फिरते देखा अपनी आंखों से, गिरते पानी के दरिया से भिड़ गए लड़ गए हाथों से। टापू देंगे टाप अपने चप्पू अपने हाथ, करते मरते कर डालेंगे फिर से एक शुरुआत।
जीरो से कर बे, जीरो से कर, अबे कर दे रीस्टार्ट। करना यार।
चालू करते ही जब मरता मेरा मारियो, खटका दाबा फिर से चालू करता दूजी पारी को। जिंदगी की पारी जारी, पारी मैंने हारी क्यों, इतना जीता जब जीवन में एक दिन मुझ पे भारी क्यों। पूरी तैयारी की गरारी ली, अड़ा पलटू मैं अपनी ये दशा, सीखा जब हारा और हंसा। गिर पड़ के चालू फिर से जीरो से घसा, जीरो के तीरों को कसा, मैं ना लकीरों में फंसा। अपना कोई चीनी नहीं है, रुकने का सीनी नहीं है, आंसू में चीनी नहीं है, अपनी पीड़ा पीनी नहीं है। किस्मत को बोलूं आजा कर ले दो दो हाथ, जीते जी वो जीतेगा जो सीखेगा ये
जो मिला उसी को किस्मत समझा, थॉट बड़ा ये गंदा बे। जो मिला उसी को किस्मत समझा, थॉट बड़ा ये गंदा बे। जो लड़ा नहीं वो हार गया, तू जान लगा के लड़ना बे।
कनपट्टी खुजा के बीती रात, रास्ता ना देखे कोई आज। बत्ती जला रात भगा, पासा पलटे बोर्ड उलटे, फिर बाजी ले अपने हाथ।
जोर से बोल यार, जोर से बोलो, जीरो से करो, जीरो से करो रीस्टार्ट। अरे करो ना यार। Restart.
That was an impressive performance, Dars. Last, but not the least, we have a visionary legend, India's true son. Words cannot describe the magnitude of his personality, so we hand over the stage to the boys of Class 6E for a thrilling performance.
Good evening, everyone. The true measure of success is not just in what you achieve, but also in how you impact others positively. Late Mr. Ratan Tata needs no introduction. No words can do justice to his contribution in building of our great nation, India. From torchbearer to transformer, the late Chairman Emeritus Ratan Tata played shepherd and sentinel while guiding the Tata Group into a new age. And he did it in his own distinctive style. We would like to pay our tribute to the legend through a small presentation of the highlights of his life. Late Mr. Tata was the chairman of Tata Sons, the holding company of the Tata Group. He was generous and known for his empathy and humility. Late Mr. Ratan Tata received the Padma Bhushan in 2000 and Padma Vibhushan in 2008, the third and second highest civilian honors awarded by the Government of India. He has also received honorary doctorates from several prestigious institutions, including the London School of Economics, Cambridge University, Ohio State University, IIT Bombay, IIT Madras, and IIT Kharagpur. Apart from being an astute industrialist and a visionary business leader, he was a backer of startups with innovative ideas, a mentor to fellow countrymen, and someone who nurtured scientific development and technological innovations. Ratan Tata has backed over 50 startups, including eyewear retailer Lenskart, digital payments firm Paytm, electric vehicle startup Ola Electric Mobility, and online stock trading platform Upstocks. Approximately 60 to 65% of the profits earned by him were donated for charitable purposes. His dedication to cancer care was influenced by personal loss. As the chairman of Tata Trusts, he enabled countless NGOs to bring about transformative social changes and leaving a mark in the society. His philanthropic work towards providing affordable cancer care is noteworthy. As Mr. Tata recalls, I remember seeing a family of 4 on a motorbike in the heavy Bombay rain. I knew I wanted to do more for these families who were risking their lives for a lack of an alternative. Ratan Tata introduced the Tata Nano car in 2008, an affordable vehicle designed to cater to the middle and lower middle income consumers. The Tata Nano, with a seating capacity for 5 people and pocket-friendly, became known as the people's car due to its affordability and convenience. Recalling the incident in 2018, UK's King Charles III, who was known as Prince Charles then, had organized an event to facilitate late Mr. Ratan Tata with a Lifetime Achievement Award for his philanthropic work. The award ceremony, which was supposed to take place at the Buckingham Palace on February 6, 2018, Mr. Tata, who agreed to attend the event in person and to receive the award, did not turn up on the D-Day. The reason? Ratan Tata's dog was quite unwell, and so he cancelled his travel plans to stay with his furry friend.
There will be upswings and there will be downswings in our business cycles. I think it's very important that the groups stand together and believe that what they are doing is relevant for the country, relevant for the industry, and relevant for the years to come.
Late Shri Ratan Tata's career and way of life offer valuable lessons for anyone seeking to make a positive impact in the world.
ये जो देश है तेरा, स्वदेश है तेरा, तुझे है पुकारा। ये वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता। ये जो देश है तेरा, स्वदेश है तेरा, तुझे है पुकारा। ये वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता। मिट्टी की है जो खुशबू तू कैसे भुलाएगा। तू चाहे कहीं जाए लौट के आएगा। नई नई राहों में, दबी दबी राहों में, खोए खोए दिल से तेरे कोई ये कहेगा। ये जो देश है तेरा, तुझे है पुकारा, ये वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता। तुझसे जिंदगी है ये कह रही, सब तो पा लिया, अब है क्या कमी। यूं तो सारे सुख है बरसे, पर दूर तू है अपने घर से। आ लौट चल तू अब दीवाने, जहाँ कोई तो तुझे अपना माने। आवाज दे तुझे बुलाने वही देश, ये जो देश है तेरा, स्वदेश है तेरा, तुझे है पुकारा।
मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी, जिद से जुनू तक है जाना, हर कतरा बोल रहा।
मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी, जिद से जुनू तक है जाना, हर कतरा बोल रहा। मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी, जिद से जुनू तक है जाना, हर कतरा बोल रहा। छल्ला सिर ते बन के कफन जद तुरिया, तन के मौत नू वाचा, मारे थर थर कंबदे सारे। छल्ला सिर ते बन के कफन जद तुरिया, तन के मौत नू वाचा, मारे थर थर कंबदे सारे। जोश से जला के जलती लपटों को हमने हाथों में है थाम लिया। है वो कर जाना के सारा जमाना, फिर देगा मिसाला यारों सबको अपने नाम दिया। ओ मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी, जिद से जुनू तक है जाना, हर कतरा बोल रहा। छल्ला सिर ते बन के कफन जद तुरिया, तन के मौत नू वाचा, मारे थर थर कंबदे सारे। ओ छल्ला सिर ते बन के कफन जद तुरिया, तन के मौत नू वाचा, मारे थर थर कंबदे सारे।
मैं लड़ जाना मैं लड़ जाना मैं लड़ जाना जिद से जुनू तक है जाना। मैं लड़ जाना जिद से जुनू तक है जाना। मैं लड़ जाना
छल्ला सिर ते बन के कफन जद तुरिया, तन के मौत नू वाचा, मारे थर थर कंबदे सारे। छल्ला सिर ते बन के कफन जद तुरिया, तन के मौत नू वाचा, मारे थर थर कंबदे सारे।
First of all, congratulations to students and staff teachers, their trainers, for this excellent by all standards, a perfect performance by all students. Most importantly, or as Principal Sir briefed me, all students participated, not even a single student was left out. This speaks about the camaraderie and the kind of enthusiasm the school has been able to successfully provide to the students. The school has a history of its own, as we know, and a school where we had some of the best rulers of this area studied. The school which has given a history of these many years. This is something that we expect also from a school like RKC. Again, another important thing that I saw in this event, and which is generally rare to see, is all eminent personalities who should be guiding, who should be the role model for people, they were presented here. I was more happy to see some of the, for example, our Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration was on the screen, and I was so happy seeing our GBPH, our hall where we used to study in IAS. So when we studied, and I remember till graduation, we never knew there was some academy in Mussoorie where IAS officers are trained. In Rajkumar College, 6th standard students are performing on the lives of IPS officers, senior officers, and they know about the destination for which they should be trying. Again, this itself is a mark of its all. Some of the personalities like Kiran Bedi to Ratan Tata ji, they have to be, and they are role models for our society, for students, and they are some people who should be forming the background with which we teach our students, and we try to motivate them, we try to make them reach at some level in the society. Again, I congratulate entire staff, entire teachers team. I congratulate parents, because as a parent I know my son is also part of the group which performed here. So I know how much of work students have given, how many days they have worked. And for teachers also, I have today, there's limitation of time. But I have myself worked as postgraduate teacher in Kendriya Vidyalaya. I worked as primary school teacher in a nearby place. I know how much of efforts, how much involvement does it require to make such kind of event successful. A single child just going out of the rhyme, just going out of the tune, just going out of the synchronized movement that you have planned can change entire show of your own. You have to focus on every child, and this I know, and the kind of efforts it takes. For us, it is just 1 year's event. For a child, it is memory of lifetime. I remember when I was very young, on 15th of August, we were asked to perform at Taluka level celebration of Independence Day. In such a similar age only, at my son's age, 6th standard maybe, I performed as a Sikh, and I had dressed, I remember, in a black complete suit, and I had turban. I still remember that day. For me, that was a memory of lifetime. So today, all those 120 children who participated, for them this is a memory of lifetime. Thank you, Rajkumar College, for giving them this opportunity. Thank you, teachers, and I congratulate you again for this successful event. And the kind of background that this college has, the kind of legacy that this college has, the performances today are equally befitting. Thank you.
Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that truly matters. Good evening, Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Sumera, Municipal Commissioner Rajkot, respected Principal, Vice Principal, Bursar, esteemed parents, colleagues, and my dear students. As we conclude this remarkable annual day and prize-giving ceremony, I stand before you with immense gratitude, reflecting on an evening filled with inspiration, achievement, and celebration. It is a privilege to extend my sincere appreciation to all who contributed making this event a success. First and foremost, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest for sparing his valuable time to be with us today and for guiding us with the words of wisdom. Sir, your presence has truly enriched this occasion and inspired us all. I extend my deepest gratitude to the school management, technical team, overseer department, mess manager, and heads of various sections for their support. Your dedication behind the scenes has been instrumental in ensuring the seamless execution of this event. A heartfelt thanks to my wonderful junior school team, whose steadfast commitment, meticulous planning, and countless hours of preparation had made this evening a success. To my dear students, I hold immense admiration for you. Your enthusiasm, diligence, and determination have shone brightly on the stage today. To the parent, your encouragement, trust, constant support have been invaluable. Your belief in our students and our institution plays a crucial role in shaping their success, and for that, we are truly grateful. As we wrap up this memorable evening, let us carry forward lessons of hard work, resilience, and unity. May we continue to support, inspire, and uplift one another in our journey ahead. Thank you and have a wonderful night. Thank you.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन